One area that usually acquires stubborn fat is the arms. After you have toned the rest of your body through rigorous exercise, this type of fat will still stick around. With the right exercise routine, it is possible to tone your biceps and get rid of unwanted fat around your arms. Stand at an arm's length distance in front of the wall. Now start doing wall push-ups. Do this for 20 seconds and then relax. Repeat this for 10 to 15 more times. Perform this exercise twice daily. Wall push-ups are one of the most well-known exercises. Push-ups are an effective upper body workout that strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms. Initially, you might find it a bit difficult, but do not worry. With time, you'll get used to it and will be able to do it with ease and perfection. When you perform push-ups consistently, they help you build muscle mass in your triceps. As a result, push-ups can eliminate arm flab associated with loose skin. This one is really very easy workout and will have an impact on your arms. You can do this workout anytime and anywhere. Just put on good dance music and start performing. It will help to lose arm fat, get rid of flabby arms, giving you perfect toned arms. Do this workout for 10 minutes daily. Stand straight, keep your feet close together and arms to your side. Next you got to jump. Bring your feet apart and bring your hands over your head. Then turn back to the static position by jumping. Bring your feet back together and arms back to the side. Gradually increase the speed. Do this for 20 seconds and then relax for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 10 more times and perform this exercise twice daily. This exercise will not only help to increase height, it also aids in weight loss. It helps to burn the excess calories, also help improve your flexibility. It helps improve muscle tone, thereby shaping your thighs, buttocks, calves, shoulders, and arms. It will improve your balance, stability, and stamina. Last is tricep stretching. In a standing position, lift one arm up above your head and bend it so you reach towards your back behind your head. With the opposite hand, gently push back against the bent elbow. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the stretched triceps. Remove the hold and relax, then repeat with the opposite arm. This makes the muscle stronger and more flexible, and therefore able to do more exercises. Green tea can help you lose weight. The flavonoids and caffeine in green tea can help elevate metabolic rate. Start your day with a cup of green tea. Drink 2 to 3 cups throughout the day. You can add few mace and ginger to your green tea. You can add few drops of lemon juice. Green tea is available in different flavors, so you can choose one that suits your taste. Green tea contains potent antioxidants and various components that speed up your metabolism rate. This will help you burn extra calories and lose weight. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.